Now guys, I make stroganoff beef guys ha. First olive oil guys ha. Now first olive oil. Yan, more hot na siya now guys ha. This is olive oil guys ha, olive oil. First olive oil guys ha. You see? More hot eye of the fire. Yan guys ha. First olive oil. Second guys is garlic. I put 2 spoon garlic. Wow. So ini half right. Yan yung ating garlic golden brown. Pag golden brown, lagyan natin ang ating yan guys ha. Wow. Ano siya. Now I put beef guys. Maybe at 4 kilo beef. Yan guys. Now I put beef. You see the beef guys ha. Tenderloin beef. He used tenderloin beef guys ha. Now I put. Oh my god. Okay. Beef. Ayan guys ha, mix lang natin siya hanggang mag golden brown itong ating karne. Gawa tayo ng beef stroganoff guys ha. Kaya ito maybe Italian or Arabian. Big katir. Yan guys ha. Tayo ng yummy stroganoff beef. Ayan guys ha. Guys, ito yung ating ingredients ha. Onion, bell pepper green, and bell pepper red, and then mushroom guys ha. Ito yan yung ating ingredients. Ando na yung nauna na po yung ating ano. So first is olive oil and garlic. Ayan guys ha. Mixing lang natin siya hanggang maluto ang ating beef guys. Malambot naman to guys kasi ito ay tenderloin. Ayan guys ha. Ganyan ka easy gumawa ng himika stroganoff beef guys. Mabenta ito sa amin guys sa best seller. Guys ha, lalagyan na tayo ngayon ng guys, black pepper. You see black pepper. Yan. Konti pa guys na black pepper. Yan guys ha. Black pepper. And then mix guys ha. Hindi mo lumabas na yung ano ng beef. Yan guys ha. Hinahin natin ang apoy. Yan. Yan ang ating stroganoff beef guys ha. Nauna na yung ating ayan guys ha. 2 chicken stock. Yan. 2 chicken stock guys ha. Don't forget chicken stock because the taste is very good. You put the chicken stock. Ayan na guys ha. Little less water because water you see the water is coming from the beef. Ayan guys ha. Easy to make stroganoff beef. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to share and like my video. Chef Eric Maria. So, ganun dito ha. Lagay tayo ng salt. Yan, salt guys ha. Yan, salt. Maganda na ng ano niya. Tikman natin guys ha, kung masarap ha. Laging titikman natin. Okay na salt niya. Thank you for watching guys ha. Now I put onion. Onion guys ha. Ha? Kaya onion ang ating ikalagay na muna. Yan. Onion ganyan lang ano ha. Ating onion guys. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to share and like my video. Chef Eric Maria. Yan ang onion. Ano na, tanggalan natin itong bell pepper. Yan, i-mix lang natin siya guys. Easy cooking, stroganoff beef. Pas sa seller namin ito guys dito. And may resto. Yan. Ating ilalagay na ang bell pepper. Guys, sa bell pepper. Wow. Sabay na natin green and red. Yan. Kita nyo na guys, ang ating napakasarap na stroganoff beef. Mixing lang natin siya guys. Yan, mix. Oh my goodness. Guys ha. Ayan guys, isunod na natin ang mushroom ha. Yan guys, sliced mushroom. Yan. Sliced mushroom guys, yan. Yan, okay na yung ganyan kadami guys ha. Mix again. Kaya natin guys ay delicious because the ingredients is more. Yan. Ayan guys ha. Yan. Ilagay na natin ang ating cooking cream. Ayan. Ito yung ating ginagamit na cooking cream. Maganda to guys. Ayan, lagyan natin ang cooking cream. Yes, ubos ko na yung isang kalahati. Tingnan natin kung kulang pa, dagdagan na pa natin. Yan guys, malapit na siyang maluto guys ha. Kulang pa ito guys, dagdagan natin. Kaya guys, dadagdagan pa ito cooking cream yan kasi kulang pa. Yan. Ano naman ang ating stroganoff beef guys. Ayan guys, lalagyan na natin ng ketchup ha. Ng ketchup, hindi mawawala ang ating ketchup guys ha. Guys, mix lang natin siya guys. Wow, kita yung texture na guys ha. Ayan guys, saka itong ating lobster sauce. The stir sauce guys ha. Yan guys ang ating stir sauce ha. Yan, mix lang natin. Yan guys, ang ganda na niya. Tikman natin siya guys ha. Titikman natin ating niluto na guys. Stroganoff. Perfect taste. Kaya pag ship ka, lagi kang busog. Yan guys, ready na siya. Counting ano lang ng tubig kasi matubig siya. Yes, only list the sauce guys ha. Kita mo naman yung ano niya, texture niya guys ha. Ayan guys, itatransfer na natin ito guys ha. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to share and like my video. Chef Eric Malia from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia guys. Yan ang ating niluto. Hey! Kuya Dagiga. Karap! Yes, transfer ko na siya guys ha. Transfer.
Bagi video mix yan.
No problem ay siya. Yan, yan ang aking ginawa guys. Ikutan yung sauce niya guys. Oh. Wow. This is my assistant chef guys. From
Hi, how are you,
Kasmari. Yan guys, ready ha. Aywa. Yan na guys ha. Ready na siya. Napakaganda ng picture na guys ha. Yan, ang ating stroganoff beef. Yan ha. Kita mo, sarap yan guys. Kita mo ang sauce nyo. And guys, thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to share and like my video. Chef Eric Malia. Piniluto guys ha. Stroganoff beef. And guys, ready na. God bless to all guys. Don't forget to share and like my video. Chef Eric Malia. Yan na guys yung ating finished product ng stroganoff beef din yung sauce guys ha. God bless to all guys. Thank you for watching from Chef Eric Malia in Saudi Jeddah, Arabia. Wow. Bye bye. God bless to all.